As Pride Month draws to a close tonight, LGBTQ advocates are celebrating a major victory for transgender rights. Today, the U.S. Supreme Court rejected the appeal of a Virginia school board trying to reinstate its ban on trans students using bathrooms consistent with their gender identity. Senior Washington reporter Devin Dwyer has been following the case. Devin, so good to see you.
Good to see you, Kira.
Usually I'm next to you. We share an office space.
That's right.
And I'm asking you every day, is there a decision yet within the Supreme Court? And now we're finally talking about it. There we go. All right. So explain what the court did and what it means.
Well, this is a big deal, Kira. The court today, basically in declining to take this appeal, said that any school that attempts to enact a transgender bathroom ban in Virginia or 4 other mid-Atlantic states will be violating the Constitution and federal civil rights law. That was the conclusion of the Fourth Circuit U.S. Court of Appeals. The Supreme Court today let that decision stand, and it's a huge win for Gavin Grimm. He's the former high school student who brought this case 6 years ago. Then he was a teenager when he took on his school board that had forced him to use a private bathroom in the schools. And an official said because he had not undergone sex reassignment surgery, he still had to use the women's restroom. He refused and confronted the school board about it in this emotional testimony from 2014. Take a listen.
I very simply am not a girl. We know as a scientific fact that there is, in fact, research to support that this is in no way, shape, or form a choice. I use the public restroom, the men's public restroom, in every public space in Gloucester County and others. I have never once had any sort of confrontation of any kind. All I want to do is be a normal child and use the restroom in peace, and I have had no problem from students to do that, only from adults.
And today, Gavin, who has long since graduated from that high school, he's off at college now, Kira, but he did tweet in celebration, writing this. Take a look. He said, "I was barred from the bathroom at my high school 7 years ago when I was 15. 6 years ago at 16, I joined the ACLU and filed suit in response to that discrimination. Twice since, I have enjoyed victories in court, and now it's over. We won." And Kira, today, the school board, when reached by ABC News, declined to comment. But a big win for Gavin Grimm.
Well, at the same time, Devin, states are considering an unprecedented number of anti-LGBTQ bills, including at least 15 that would prohibit trans people from accessing restrooms or locker rooms consistent with their gender identity. What does the decision today mean for those efforts?
Well, today's decision, Kira, is not the end of the bathroom fight and the fight over transgender rights in this country by any means. But experts in equality law tell me this is a big bellwether. There has been a growing trend in the federal circuits toward trans-inclusive policies, including with bathrooms and upholding those policies. Practically speaking, there's also a consensus growing in school districts across the country. Schools are realizing that they're not finding a lot of the problems when it comes to privacy violations and misconduct that some of the critics have warned of. So while the U.S. Supreme Court has not actually taken on this issue and issued sort of a national binding mandate on transgender bathroom rights, today is considered one more notch in the belt, if you will, for those equality advocates in the face of a very long campaign. Kira?
Devin, thanks so much.
Thanks, Kira.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.